Teaching and inspiring the next generation is changing. The world of work and careers is vast and evolving. How will students understand the wealth of opportunities available to them? The global pandemic has brought us all online and shown us new ways to engage with each other. With this comes great opportunity. Using Minecraft, we have found a way to bring the workplace right into your classroom, where students will discover careers and pathways in the aerospace sector as they play. Supported by a rich set of resources built by teachers in line with the curriculum and Gatsby benchmarks. Players become an apprentice for the day and explore the aircraft hangar in Minecraft, learning about the different job roles, parts of the plane and material properties as they play. They will solve clues and select the right materials for each part of the plane, watching it change in front of their eyes. Players uncover their coding skills, working together to test the emergency lighting in the flight deck. When they have overcome this challenge, they progress to coding the landing gear. In our sustainability lesson, players will learn about the fuels of the future. They experiment in a way not possible in the classroom, splitting elements and creating compounds using the chemistry features in Minecraft. They find 3 ways to fuel the plane using hydrogen, sustainable aviation fuel, and even building their own lithium battery. Our Innovation and Research Hub allows players to create in their own imaginative ways. They are tasked with overcoming some of the travel challenges that engineers are exploring as we speak. They will be introduced to biomimicry, solar panel planes, and vertical takeoff aircraft. Players can explore our dedicated Aerospace Opportunities web pages at their leisure, where teachers will find all the resources they need to confidently engage and inspire their students in the classroom. Visit our website now to start your Skills Miner journey.